I'm Matt, I'm 52 years old and I got diagnosed with Parkinson's in 1975. And I'm intending to go on the fastest zip line in the world today. I've always been an adrenaline junkie and DBS has helped tremendously. It energises me and it's actually given me my life back. Changing to the Boston Scientific batteries helped me immeasurably. It's given me the confidence to do activities that I possibly wouldn't have done had I not had my battery changed. Before I made the switch, life was much more difficult. I was taking more medication for a start. I was falling over an awful lot. I love doing things like this. Adrenaline, action, speed. Can't beat it. I just can't wait to just hang there and wait. When I do the 3, 2, 1, that's going to be amazing. I think I would say to somebody that was hesitant about doing the switch would be, don't be for a kick-off. It's probably the best thing I've ever done, and it can make your quality of life immeasurably better. So when I got to the top and got out, I was thinking, there's no way you're backing out of this one, Matt. So good. You can see by the big grin on my face. Superb, loved it. Since the switch, the most positive change has been in my quality of life. I'm happier, I'm smilier, I can work more, and I just feel life is looking up. I've seen improvements in, and one of my most favoured forms of communication, my voice. My balance when I just stand up is so much better. I also sleep better as well. The advice I would give some people living with Parkinson's is never ever be ashamed of showing your symptoms in public. It's not your fault you've got it. It doesn't make you a different person. It gives you more challenges for sure, but you are the same person.